Let's make a perfect tiramisu at home. That's absolutely delicious. 2 egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of sugar. Now let's whip this. Add 200 grams of mascarpone. Now whip this as well in a bowl. Add half a cup of whipping cream. Whip this until you get soft peaks like this. Now add your whipped cream and fold in gently. Dip your ladyfingers in espresso and place them in a container. And now we layer it up. Refrigerate this overnight, or if you are impatient like me, 4 hours should be fine. Now drizzle some cocoa powder and you're done.